The Welsh meat team at Cig Cymru were out and about giving out loads of Welsh lamb. But why? Lamb's just lamb, isn't it?
Welsh lamb is one of the best foods in the world. It's definitely the best lamb, and we can prove that as well with our PGI status, which is Protected Geographical Indication. And that means that the lambs, they've been born, raised, reared all through Wales, in Wales, and then they're taken to an abattoir in Wales then, and it goes just straight to the consumer.
Yeah, I think Welsh lamb is one of the best lamb in the world. You know, something different about the flavour. And I guess it's because of the land, the way they're growing, you know. They've been growing for generation and generation.
Everybody wants to know where their food's come from, what's happened to it, what processes it's been through. Especially, you know, there's different food trends and everything, and everybody wants to buy local, know where it's from, especially and reducing air miles as well. And it's really good for the environment. You've got the Welsh lamb, it's grazed on some of the vastest, lovely grassland across Wales. It's got some of the best farming systems. We don't use the intensive farming systems that you see across the Americas or anything like that. So it's a natural product.
In this pot we got lamb stew, which is a neck and shoulder. They've been slow braised with the white wine, carrot, celery, the usual. We look for a long time, for 4 hours until the meat is tender. In the oven we got shepherd pie, which again is lamb, carrot, celery and onions, topped with mashed potato. And of course Welsh lamb.
I would always, where possible, get Welsh produce, whether it be vegetables, steak, sustainable fish, anything that comes from Wales that we know that's sustainable.
It's absolutely fantastic. It really is. Because I'm a very fussy person with my food, but I tell you what, this is absolutely delicious.
Very, very succulent. The meat in itself has got such a beautiful texture, and it is, yes, very, very well cooked and well presented.
Because of my allergy, so I have to sort of check where it's come from and how to cook it, because things like that.
I have been aware now it's Welsh lamb, and I do know it's from North Wales. There is no difference between North Wales lamb and South Wales lamb. Welsh lamb is the best in the world. It really is the best in the world. You cannot get any better than that, purely because of its texture, its taste, and it's the way it is matured. It is just a different taste. There is a different taste between New Zealand lamb and Welsh lamb, without a shadow of a doubt.